If you're trying to get into video editing, then you probably know that it demands a PC with reasonably decent specs. Regardless of software and the operating system, it demands at least 8 to 16 GB of RAM so that you can have a reasonably decent experience. But there are these other kind of editing software which run on a web server and allow you to access it just using a browser and an internet connection. Now, one such company is FlexClip. They asked me to check out their product. I mean, they're not sponsoring this video, meaning that they didn't pay for this, but they did give me access to their business plan so I can check out all the features. As usual, I'm just going to be going through this and giving you my opinions, and there is nothing that I'm required to say. So let's take a look at their website and their tool to see what we can do. So apparently you can sign up for free, but I'm just going to sign into my account that they gave me. So you can either choose between a timeline mode or a storyboard mode. I'm more used to the timeline mode because that's how most other software work. So I'm going to pick that. Let's wait for it to load, and there you go. That's the interface. You can see it already has a bunch of templates ready made. So these templates come with a motion graphic and the image that you see. They also come with transitions between the two graphics. So they kind of save a lot of work to you if you're just putting some entry-level basic video together. You don't have to do any of those things individually. You can just drag and drop it into your timeline or just click on the plus icon. I'm just going to use some of those and see what they look like. I can kind of change the text here. Obviously, we can edit. I wish I could directly edit on the screen. I have to edit on this text window here. That's fine. So I'm just going to put something together step by step, and you can see that it's pretty easy, fairly straightforward. Everything is drag and drop. There is nothing complicated. You can easily adjust the clips. You can adjust the transitions. You can see all the settings on the left hand side. And if you don't want to use this stock footage, you can obviously bring your own videos into this as well. All you have to do is select the media option on the left side there, and you can choose between either uploading from your PC or from your phone. Like if you select upload from phone, it'll actually give you a QR code which you can scan using your phone. Let's do that. All right. So if I scan from my phone, then it'll open this page. So I can upload the files that I have on my phone directly, which will automatically show up here as well. I don't have to sign in separately on my phone. And that's really handy. I mean, most of us use our phones as our cameras. So if you're working on your PC in a browser, you can directly upload from there and continue working here. That's an advantage of an online system, right? As long as your account is same, as long as you have a browser, you can work from anywhere. You don't need a specific device or a specific software. You can just work on their servers. You can even add some background music here, which I assume is royalty free, obviously. This one sounds nice. I'm gonna add it, and there you go. That's my project. Let's watch what I've made. Pretty motivational stuff, huh? What do you think? I mean, I guarantee that this is better than 99% of Facebook motivational videos. Now there are some changes with the plans, obviously, if I click on different plans. Now the access that I've been given here is the business or the lifetime plan, because I'm a boss, which means I can export videos in full HD up to 30 minutes and I can save unlimited projects. And of course, there is no FlexClip watermarks or anything like that. I have up to 1 TB of video sharing space, which is a lot for a person. But then again, this is not meant for a person. It's a business plan. And even if you completely start for free with your free account, you can still download in 480p, which is good enough for social media, really. You get to use one stock video per your project, and you can make 12 projects per month. And if you're mostly going to be using your phones or your own camera's footage, then that wouldn't matter. And besides, there are other places where you can get the stock footage. You can go to pexels.com and get free stock footage from there. So you can import that here and use it in your project. Of course, the caveat is that the video length here will only be up to 1 minute. So if you're using a free plan, it has to be like a YouTube Shorts thing. I think this is a pretty good place to get started in case you don't have any good machines with you that are powerful enough to do video editing on their own hardware. You can use their hardware and pay them a small amount. Billing annually will save you more money. As you can see, if you pay a one-time annual fee of $79.88, that comes down to around $6 a month, which is more than reasonable for all of these features. And the plus point is you can work on pretty much any device that can access the internet. I mean, even if it's an old Android tablet, you can reuse that tablet for this purpose. I mean, that's what I love about the internet. Like, there are hundreds of opportunities for anyone to make a living for themselves. And by far, I think gear and hardware is the most expensive investment you'll have to make. But starting with something like this may make it a little bit easier and more affordable. So if you're interested in a web-based editing software which you can get started for free, I'll leave a link in the description. You can check it out.